Biological coffee. Azores, Cabana. That's where we're going right now. Okay. We're into the coffee plants here. There's all the coffee plants right here. We're walking through them. This is the high quality stuff here. We're going to be able to purchase some too here. Look at this. Right in here. Yeah, coffee flowers. They all have them on here. Some of the beans are turning like olive color here. I think bananas. Look at this. The little ones here. We got everything here. Bananas. Look at, we got bananas here. There you go, bananas.
Look at the bananas. They're growing. That's the start of it. Look at that.
That's the start of the banana.
Yeah.
It's almost looks like a corn husk or something there.
Coffee with bananas. Why? Because I find out
There's the coffee beans in there.
goes
Look at them
very well
in there.
with bananas. I try coffee alone
More coffee
and I try
beans
coffee
in
with
there.
bananas. I find out the coffee with bananas produce much better.
Walking through the plantation
As you see,
here.
now we get the red one.
Ah, the red ones here. Yeah, we got the red beans in here. And here. Ah, the red ones. That's what he said. The red ones and yellow ones here.
You don't see too many coffee beans because this year I already harvest 12 times
Wow.
and there's still more times to go.
Another banana is coming right out here. So all the bananas, these are still green, little tiny ones here. So there you go. Let me get in here. I have to squeeze by here. There's a red one there.
Some more bananas coming up. This is the banana flower.
Yes.
Ah, here's the banana
Down the
flower
bottom
here.
is a banana
The
flower.
flower.
When come close. Come close.
Well, I've seen this before. I didn't know what it was.
This is an example of a banana flower. The banana flower, the banana is coming up. When we see it will be enough, we take the flower out. We take the flower out for save the energy. All the energy of the plant will go to
The bananas.
the bananas. And when I was a kid in Africa, I used this one to play as a boat on a lagoon.
To go in the Eco Banana Lodge here. We're going to go in. You got bananas hanging right outside here. And this is the Atlantis. All very woody here and everything. Very nice. And we got an upstairs. Yeah, nice bed. They got very rustic steps here. Very nice. Top up there. You want to go up to the top. You got your bathroom. We got a flush toilet. Nice shower.
And kitchenette.
And a kitchenette and a rug, a microwave, a kettle. All the comforts of life here. So yeah, look at that there. Wow. And upstairs here too. Let me see if I was to walk up here. Oh, I got a bed up here too. Very nice. I'm not going to go all the way up. It's a nice bed, a little warmer. You got recessed lighting up there. You can look down on here and everything. Yeah. You got papayas up there. You see them up there.
On the plants.
Papayas.
I've made a blend.
We're down here in the
40%
coffee
red,
trees here. Yeah, we're still going down in the coffee plants here. Going down here. Yeah. Look at this. Papayas up there. Up in the top there. Hope one doesn't fall on me here, but
Oh, maybe, yeah.
There
And
you
then
go.
they kind of run.
yeah, we got the coffee beans, the coffee flowers there, and everything. All right, we're going to the coffee shed here now, maybe. Okay. This looks like all bananas here. All bananas here.
Yeah.
So you can see, except for this one, that's not a banana, but
Chicken, just the
all the ones out there.
chickens.
There we go, right near the water too there. Coffee cabana here. Watch my step. We're going up. We're going to try some coffee here. We got a nice rustic table. Look at the finish on that table. How smooth that is there. I'm going to go in here. Thank you. Thank you. What feet? All right. Watch the door there. Okay. Wow, we got this in here. We got the nice lady there. It's going to pour our coffee for us here and everything. We're all excited and everything too.
Mr. Bernardo and Gonzalo gonna give you ice cream for.
We're gonna have ice cream, coffee ice cream. We got bananas, papayas. Super tasty, super tasty. Yeah, look at that.
Now, guys. Mr. Bernardo talks too much.
Yeah.
Now, I put hot water over here, and here I have our coffee. I'm gonna put together. I'm gonna put infrared. Gonna heat the water. Gonna force the water go up. When the water is all up with the coffee, I'm gonna take it off.
This is our coffee that's being made here. Infrared. It's heating the water. The water is going to go up to the top and then eventually come back down or something. So pretty neat. All right. And we got coffee ice cream right here, which is very good. I'm going to taste some here now. Put it up. It's going to go. Fantastic. Now it's really coming in there. You can really bubbling up there. Filling up on the top there too.
Now I take it off from the heat, and gravity gonna do the job for me. Gonna bring all the water with flavors of coffee and fruits.
Wow.
And we got another one going in the back there too.
Yes, because
Another,
you are too many people.
too many people. Yes, we are. And we got little labels and all the coffee cups here. Very nice. We got a coffee at
This
the bottom.
water with
Just pouring out the coffee now for all of us here. Okay, I got the coffee here, so let me take a little sip of the coffee and see how it is here. Okay.
too much toast. We don't need to toast ours because we want to give you the flavor of the fruits.
You can almost, there is a little bit of undertone of that.
Yes, you can taste and the taste, but you can smell it too. So you're gonna smell this one, and then gonna smell our coffee.
The real coffee.
We're going to be smelling coffee. The first one is like the regular coffee.
Yeah, the first thing for the coffee is the red one. It makes tea coffee.
Not much smell there.
Black
Yeah.
tea, but it's tea for coffee, so you can smell it all day.
I like that.
This is the coffee from the plantation here. Let's take a smell.
You make tea out of the skin of the bean.
Yes, there's a good smell in there.
It's a good